So today we will be deploying a Solara application on Toystack platform using the remix feature on Toystack. So let's begin. So this is how the Solara UI is going to look like, application is going to look like post deployment. So you're going to the Toystack platform. You're going to click on get started, go to the remixes tab, click on clone or repository over there. You can type the preferred name. So I'm providing the name as Solara Geospatial application. So you're going to copy the URL on the GitHub and create a clone. You can update the access permission, configure and activate the repository now. You're just providing the port number, save changes, choose the plan of your choice, and proceed with the repository payment activation. So I'm using $3 from my Toystack wallet. Go to the repository dashboard. You're going to the deployments tab. Going to click from deploy from branch. Select the branch as main, deployment validity, and click on deploy. So then you can see your build logs and application logs once the deployment is initiated. And go to the overview and you will a URL would be generated. Click on the required URL. You will be able to see the application is successfully deployed. So this is how your application is going to look like post deployment, the one which I showed you earlier. So go ahead and deploy your application on Toystack. Thank you so much.